Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Kirti Sharan. Today's class is integers. I am here today to explain you class 7 integers exercise 1.2. Let us start. Before that, please follow these tips. What are the tips? Plus into plus is equal to plus, plus into minus is equal to minus, minus into plus is equal to minus, minus into minus is equal to plus. Keep these four in your mind while doing multiplication in integers. So let us do these sums. So the first one A is 3 into minus 1 is equal to 3 into 1 is equal to 3 plus here if it is there means here without any symbol means that is nothing but plus. So plus into minus minus. So you can see those tips. So next B1 minus 1 into 225. So 1 into 225 will come. Here minus is there. If before anything not there means we consider as plus. So minus into plus minus will come. So answer minus 225. Next the third one is minus 21 into minus 30. Here see without brackets I wrote here minus 21 into minus 30. Here minus into minus plus 21 30s 0 you will write 3 ones are 3, 3 2s are 6. So plus 3 630. So next D1 minus 316 into minus 1. So minus into minus plus 316 into 1 is 316 only. Here if you multiply anything with 0 no, the answer will come under 0 only. So the answer is 0. If you see the F1 minus 12 into minus 11 into 10. See, I will multiply these two first. What will come? Minus 12 into minus 11 into 10 I wrote again. That is equal to 11 tens are 110. If you multiply these two, first you have to multiply these minus into minus plus will come. 12 11s are 132. So 0 you wrote. 12 12s are 144. 12 11s are 132. So 1320 you wrote. So next the answer is 1320. 1320. So G. So 9 into minus 3 into minus 6. That is equal to 3 6 are 18. Minus into minus plus. So plus into plus only will come. So 9 8 is 72, 9 1 is 9, 9 plus 7 16. So minus 18 into minus 5 into minus 4. So minus 18 I wrote here, 5 4s are 20, minus into minus plus. So now you multiply these two, 18 into 20, you will get 360. Minus into plus, minus you will get. So I. So minus 1 into minus 2 into minus 3 into 4. So first you do these two. 1 into 2 is 2. Minus into minus plus. Now you do these two. 3 4s are 12. Minus into plus minus. Now you multiply first this one. So plus into minus minus. 2 12s are 24. Very easy. So minus 24 is the answer. So next J minus 3 into minus 6 into minus 2 into minus 1. So multiply as it is first these two numbers. 3 6 are 18. So minus into minus plus. Next multiply these two. 2 1s are 2 plus into minus into minus plus. Plus into plus 18 into 2 36. So these are the tips. These tips are very important for multiplication. If you follow these tips, you can easily write. You can easily do these sums very easily without hesitation. So I think you like this video. Please like, share and comment if you are having any doubts and subscribe my channel. Thank you.